Hello guys, how are you all? This is Prashant. In this video, we will come to know what is the project Isaac, what, why it is belonging to IIT Gandhinagar, and what exactly Newton sir is doing here. So, by the help of this video, you will come to know what is the project Isaac. So let's continue. During this lockdown time, it the same lockdown took place in 1665 in London, which made Newton to Sir Newton. So this is the main thing, that Newton becomes Sir Newton during that lockdown time. So I will tell you what happened in 1665, who is this guy, and what is the project Isaac this time. Okay, so let's continue with this. Project Isaac. IIT Gandhinagar launches Project Isaac to engage students in critical thinking during this Corona lockdown. As IIT Gandhinagar introduced this Project Isaac, they were thinking that during this lockdown time, the students can use their knowledge to innovate something, to do something. Don't waste your time. So that's why they launched this IIT or this Project Isaac. So what are the topics, how they are going to introduce this for you people? So first they have different categories for this. First they have 12 days of coding. So here they will give you the coding in which you have to grasp a challenge. With that challenge you will come within a fixed duration, you have to fix that all the coding cracks and all, and you will get some cash prize and t-shirts and other large prizes also. Second category, they have the leadership video challenge, in which you have to watch the TED or TEDx videos. TEDx talks, I think this is a most familiar platform for everyone. So you have to visit that TEDx, search on the YouTube. You will get some motivational videos with the leadership qualities, and after watching that video, you have to summarize within 100 to 50 to 100 words, and send it to on particular details, and you will get some cash prize. Now, don't quarantine your cornea. So in this quarantine time, what they are doing, mostly people are busy with the episode, movies, documentaries and web series. So what they are thinking, you have to watch a episode or a movie and summarize that movie in 300 to 500 words and send them. You will get some prize there, as you can see here. This is the category that you can win. Fourth, Project Isaac Showcase means you can innovate, you can make, you can create your best ideas. You can make your and work on your project generated by the students. So you have to submit this project between this time, and you will get some prize there also. Okay. Fifth category, now the programming challenge. It is a programming challenge, or you can say the gaming challenge also. So those who have the knowledge of coding and will develop the Python codes, they will get the price range in this. So it will be better for you that go on this website and search the link and find out your category which is suitable for you and use that one. So now we are going to come to know why Isaac Newton is belonging to this, or why IIT Gandhinagar gave this project name Isaac. So let's see. First of all, I am going to tell you about a little bit about Sir Isaac Newton. He born in 4th January 1643, United Kingdom. Okay, he was a mathematician, physicist, and the astronomer. Okay, he gave the law of motions. We are familiar with the three law of motions and the universal law of gravitation. Okay, and that time means till now people, he was only the genius on earth. Okay, now 1665, what happened that time? The great plague took place in London. Okay, that time he was studying in the Trinity College of Cambridge University, Trinity College of Cambridge. That time he was just 20. Okay, and that time a great plague took place in London. So that time the social distancing, maybe they were giving some other name to this word, but I'm using social distancing. I don't know what that time what they use, but I'm giving the social distancing. So here Cambridge sent students home to continue their studies. So Sir Newton was also there. So Newton family estates about 60 miles from northwest to Cambridge. This is the house image of Sir Newton. Okay, I think many of you are first time you are looking this house. You can visit on the Google, search Newton house. They will give you the more images. So what was the lockdown for Newton? What he was doing? Lockdown for Newton. First, he continued to work on the mathematics problems which he got from the college, and that paper becomes calculus. Whatever the class 12th students are studying calculus, that is that paper only. Okay. Next, he acquired a few prism and experiment with them in his bedroom. It becomes theories on optics, class 10th and 12th. So that time he found this. I think you can see this image. This is the bedroom of Sir Isaac Newton. Okay, so you can use this. First time it is means when you feel this type of images, you feel now this is the house where he worked. This is the house where he was sleeping. Okay, so you can see these images on the Google also. So now you can imagine during that lockdown time he wrote a book calculus. He gave a theory of optics, and this is the apple tree. You can't imagine his means he was staying in this any one of the room, and this apple was in front of his window. uh, uh, Actually I took this image from his UK website, UK official website. They were saying this is the apple tree, so maybe this is the famous apple tree which gave the uh, from which apple introduced the theory of gravity. So Isaac Newton changed the world while he quarantined from the plague. 1665 to 1666 in London, 25% of the population died due to the plague. It is amazing. 25% of people died. Okay, and it was major outbreak in 400 years. When Newton returned to the Cambridge in 1667, with some theory papers in hand, with that theory papers, within 6 months, he was made the fellow at Cambridge, and just after 2 years, he became the professor. So now imagine what he did during this lockdown time. So it is your time that you can change. You can change the world. You can find out your qualities. You can find out your abilities. Find out the small things and work on them. So that's why IIT Gandhinagar introduced this project Isaac, and I think now you come to know why they gave this project name as Isaac. So here this is the cutout of that website only. So here are many other things also: skill writing, painting, coding, creative expressions, etc. You can do and you can send them. I will provide you the link of this particular website in the description box, where you can click and visit that particular site, find out your category, and you will uh, you can attempt this quiz. So I think these things are clear for you. Thank you and have a nice day. Please share this video.